So here's what you need for the project. You need a block of wood, some skittles. I've drilled a hole in the top of took the top off the skittles and drilled a hole, a brush, some stain and some wood glue. And the first thing you do is stain your block that you're going to attach your skittles onto, and make sure you get the top of the wood where you've just kind of taken the top off your skittles, just so there's not bare wood. I went back over and got a little paintbrush and put it right inside, and for any skittles that need touched up, I just touched them up with the stain. Now what I'm going to do is I've made a decal on my silhouette. It just says the number 2 and the word number 2, the same for all my numbers, 1, and you get the message. And then what I'm doing, I'm just applying the decals to all my skittles. So this is what I'm doing here, making sure that I flatten them down. I didn't use a stencil and paint it on because I might want to change out the fronts for something else, maybe in a different time of the year. So I went for vinyl so that I could just remove it if I wanted to. So there's number 1 and 2 done. I do the rest off camera. There's 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5 done. And that's a close up with them. Then Perfection's kind of stained and all the numbers on them. That's the wood glue drying, and that's it really. I'm just ready to put some spring flowers into them. If you've liked this video and you want to see more, please subscribe, and if you know somebody else that might want to do this, share it. Thank you so much.